This is your graphical user interface of hospital project. Give correct username and password to open this project. As this project is running for first time, it will create new user. Now login. As you can see, our home screen contains many options. First of them is department. You can view all given departments and create new. You can also update it, but only description part. If you want to update name, you can delete the department and create new one. Similarly, we have doctor record. Similarly, we have doctor page. Here we can fetch, search, save, update, delete doctors. Here we are creating new record of doctor. We can see there are validation checks everywhere to restrain user from giving any incorrect information. Now you can manage doctor schedule here. Like Dr. Ishan schedule is not here because we just now created his profile. You can select surgery days, OPD days and the off days. On selecting surgery days, OPD days will automatically be updated. You can view wards and update. You can manage rooms. Manage appointments of doctors. Like when we select department, psychiatrist, we get Dr. Ishan along with their OPD days. If it is not OPD day, we can't save appointment. If it is OPD day, we can choose time and save appointment. Now give patient ID. We can also see total appointments of that patient. Now we can also view in a table how many appointment Ishan have. Now here we can create record of new patients, view them. We can also admit patients. We already have a record of one patient, patient 3. Now we are admitting new patient, Ritika. Selecting her ward. Select available bedrooms, charges, admit date. Now we can pay. These all charges will automatically get calculated according to total number of days. We can also view already paid amounts in given table. Here is OPD. We can add new patients in OPD also, like we did for appointments. We can see admit patients list according to admitted and discharged patients. Also view OPD fee collection according to all doctors and selected doctors and from the given dates. Also get printout of this. You can add new user also. When we select a doctor as an user, we have to select which doctor is he. We can change password for current user also. We can log out from this option. Now log in with different user, this time with doctor. You can see there are different options available. Here we can also view schedule of doctor, but only login doctor can see his own schedule. He can also view his OPD fees collection. Change his password and can log out. Now we are logging in with receptionist user. Now he have different options. Now we can also discharge patient. On discharge we have to pay full fees. View appointments with current date. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to view how to set up hotel management system. For that, right click on zip folder and extract all. It will take a while to extract all. Now you get the extracted folder. As you can see, it contains all files and folders along with database. Now open XAMPP. Click on Start of Apache, click on Start of MySQL, and then click on Admin of MySQL. Here we have to create new database. Now copy the name of SQL file. Create new database of that name. To import all data, choose the file. Now click on import button. You get all data and tables. Now to execute the project, open PyCharm. Now open project in PyCharm. Select from desired location and click on that project. As you can see, no Python interpreter is connected yet. We can't execute project now. This is taking too long. You can trim this part. Now delete this VNV folder. Now we have to create new virtual environment. For that, click on File menu, select Setting option, click on Project, Python Interpreter, and select Add Interpreter, Add Local Interpreter. New interpreter is already selected. Click on OK button. Once again, click on OK button. Now you can see we have some errors. It is because we didn't install all modules yet. You have to import these modules. For that, click on terminal and write down pip install module name, for instance PyMySQL. Similarly, do for all other modules. As we install all packages, there is no error left. You can check by viewing each page. Now to edit.py and right click on this to select Run option. This is your graphical user interface of hospital project. Give correct username and password to open this project. Now that's it for the project. Thank you.